Okay, so I have everything set up. Basically, it's mise en place. So I have a little bit of oil in my pan, and I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Make sure you don't overcook your, like I just did, tortillas. You know, and that's the thing with having organic masa. You have to take into consideration it's going to be quite organic. And these are close to my grandmother's tortillas, where we used to make them in Mexico. And as soon as you put one on top of the other and then you cover it, it'll soften up. Let me go ahead and so I'm seasoning it in between, because this cast iron, for some reason, it sucks up all the oil. I had another one. You see how dark it is? It's not dirty. That's all the chard. That's from the tortillas. The tortillas. So you want to go ahead and just kind of, you know, do that. So I'm going to go ahead and put another one on there. These are turning out really nice, even, and it might be because might be a little bit of oil in the stock. Oh, don't fall apart. Well, that's going to fall apart. So when you're making the tortillas, what happens is that, let me start all over. When you're making the tortillas, okay, so what's going to happen, okay, and it's a small little space I have here, but I love it. It's my space. My sister said get in the kitchen, so I'm in the kitchen. So basically, okay, come on baby. This is where it starts getting a little stubborn, and your plastic is probably has, this is a Ziploc kind of bag. Oh well. And you might want to clean it off. You know, that's what my mother used to do. She used to just clean it off, make sure it's, you know, white. You don't want all that extra on there. But I'm almost done. But in the meantime, I'll show you how to make my eggs real quick. Okay, let me make another one so I don't lapse in between. I had to get one of these. These are so cool. Oops. They have the metal ones. The metal ones are a little bit more convenient, but I like using the traditional ones, which were my mother's traditional ones. Yeah, because that little grill is starting to really heat up. So leave that there. In the meantime, I put a little bit of oil in here, okay? And this is my leftover, cactus that I have in my video. And I'm going to go ahead and put that, let me see if I can get that over there so you can see what I'm doing. So I put a little bit of oil in there, which is so naughty, but you have to put oil in there. And so I'm going to put some of this cactus stuff in there, okay? And I'm going to put this on the side, because so it's taking up a little bit of room. This is how my mother used to make her eggs. And this makes a great breakfast. I'm telling you. It makes a great, great breakfast. So, okay. So I have my eggs. I want to make sure so it doesn't stick. For some reason. Huh. Okay, in the meantime, my mom used to be able to do this. See, that's what it's supposed to look like that. See, my cast iron wasn't seasoned well enough. So that pan was pretty hot. My skillet was pretty hot, so it's good. Yeah, this is what you do. Yeah. Yum. Oh, that looks so good. This is so good. People have to eat, right? So I just put a couple eggs in there. This is good enough for like 1 or 2 people. If you want to have beans on the side. Oh, yum. Yeah, like pinto beans would be good. So I'm going to leave that there. A can of pinto beans would be delicious. See, you should be able to do that. So I had some pinto beans last night in some pasta. So if you have like a can of pinto beans, oh, I should have went to the so you can get a can of beans and put them on the side, which is what I'm going to do. Oh. I used to get yelled at for slamming the cabinet window, the cabinet doors. But now I slam them without even thinking about it because I don't have anybody to yell at me. So, my dad used to have a fit. Thank God! Well, I don't care. I'm going to slam the cabinet. It ain't going to hurt the cabinet. It's not going to hurt the cabinet, me slamming the cabinet. But don't slam the cabinet. And I'm not even going to season them because they're already salted. The beans are already salted. So, yeah. Here you go. Oh, there you go. And I'm going to clean up. Like I said, I'm not showing my face because I haven't combed my hair. And I don't want to scare you. Oh, and what I'm drinking right now, so I buy this big old jug of aloe vera. You can get it at Trader Joe's. The aloe vera juice. And it's got with the, you got to be careful because it's got the whole leaf in it. And the whole leaf can be a little bit toxic. But I usually get it, the aloe vera juice with the inner leaf, but I can't afford it. It's expensive. But I have aloe vera juice with some of my elderberry. I don't know what to call it. Soda. My fermented elderberry. Okay. And then I strain it and put it in there. And then I use, those are basil leaves. And then I put a little bit of this, a little bit of sizzly mizzly, no, zero sugar. I just found that. And then I make myself a nice little drink. A healthy drink. That's really, really good. I'm sorry, but that's good. Okay. So, yeah, that's what they're supposed to look like, for crying out loud. This is not good. I don't know why this thing is falling apart. My stuff is falling apart here. I just love my little space. This is so fun. It's so much fun. Okay. So these contracts have been sent to me, and I'm kind of concerned about them. So I got to ask some questions. It's good to ask questions when you're contracted with a company or wherever you decide to go. Okay, that's good. I'll put that on low and go ahead. Yeah. Alrighty. So there you have it. That's gonna be my meal. A cactus and eggs. That's a brunch. My tortillas. Yeah, this is gonna be good. I'll talk to you later.